You are given two dice to roll. One is black with 6 sides. The other is white with 4 sides. So a 4-sided die is kind of a pyramid-looking thing. It has exactly 4 sides. So for a given roll, it would be a pyramid with a triangular base. For a given roll, what is the probability that the dice add up to 10? If it helps, you may select the matching outcomes below. Your selections aren't checked with your answer. So this might look a little bit strange at first. You're like, what is this triangle? This triangle is the face of the 4-sided die that is facing you. So this is the roll of the 4-sided die. And so this is a roll of 1 and 1. So those clearly are not adding up to 10. So let's think about all the ones that add up to 10. So this adds up to 2. This adds up to 3. This adds up to 4. This adds up to 5. Let's see what actually adds up to 10. So if we go all the way, so clearly if we get a 4 and a 6, that's going to add up to 10. And are there any other possibilities that add up to 10? Well, the highest possible roll I can get on the 4-sided die is a 4. So that's my best scenario that's the highest possible roll. And even if I get that, I still need the highest possible roll on the 6-sided die. So this is the only scenario that adds up to 10. You could look at any of these other ones. They'll add up to something less than 10. So there's one possibility that satisfies our constraints. The dice add up to 10. And how many total equally likely possibilities were there? Let's see. This grid shows all the equally likely possibilities. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 24 equally likely possibilities, and that comes from you have 6 possibilities from the 6-sided die times 4 possibilities from the 4-sided die gives you 24 equally likely possibilities. Only one matches, or only one satisfies the constraint that the dice add up to 10. Let's do a few more of these. So you're given 2 6-sided dice to roll. For a given roll, what is the probability that the dice add to 6? So here we have the tops of both of my dice. And now what are all the scenarios where the dice add up to 6? So I have to get, in order to add up, well, let's think about this. If I have a 1 and a 5, that's going to add up to 6. In this entire column, that's the only way that I add up to 6. Right over here, let's see, if I have a 2 on the black die, then I'm going to need a 4 on the white die to add up to 6. If I have a 3 on the black die, I'm going to need a 3 on the white die to add up to 6. If I have a 4 on the black die, I'm going to need a 2 on the white die. If I have a 5 on the black die, I'm going to need a 1 on the white die. And then if I have a 6 on the black die, it's actually impossible that the sum will be exactly 6. So there's no 0 on the white die. So none of these meet the constraint. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possibilities where my dice add up to 6. So I have 5 possibilities out of a total of 36 equally likely ones. This is a 6 by 6 grid, and it comes from 6 possibilities for one die times 6 possibilities for the other die. So 5 possibilities satisfy my constraint out of a total of 36. Let's do one more. This is actually a lot of fun. You are given 2 6-sided dice to roll. For a given roll, what is the probability at least one die is a 6? At least one die is a 6. So let's see. So we just have to look for all of the situations where at least one of the dice is a 6. So that one. Every time I see a 6, I should just click on that. That one, and then obviously all of these scenarios right over here. So these are all of the scenarios where at least one of the dice is a 6. Here, of course, is where both of the dice are a 6. So how many scenarios are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 possibilities out of a total of 36 equally likely ones. Remember, 6 times 6. There's 36 equally likely outcomes. So let's check our answer. And we got it right.